Hi and welcome to the first eBay purchase review. This is Lego 200. It's the Lego family 1974. Consists of 5 minifigures. So you've got mum, dad, 2 children and grandma. Let's open it up and have a look. So a set of instructions. Okay, they're nice and clear. So let's empty out what we've got. Okay, so what do we need for the first one? Blue block, yellow block. Hoping everything's here. Okay, so put the yellow block on and blue block. Now I'm looking for white. Can't see that just yet. Is this the one? So blue, 2 arms and the head. Okay, so we've got this, but we're missing the white piece. Now, I'm hoping we've got some spares since we've got so much Lego. So let's put that to one side. Let's go on to this next one. So I've got another black piece, white, yellow, looks like we're missing the 2 blue pieces as well, but we do have the red, so let's put the red there for the moment. Also missing the white block. Oh no, there we are. Do have this one, but we are missing the blue. And is this the little girl? Yeah, okay, so we're missing another part on that one. So let's put this one over here. Okay, so we are missing the white piece from here. Missing this white piece and these blue pieces at the moment. Let's go on to the next figure. So black, 2 yellow. Okay, we don't have those. We have the red piece. And we do have those. Again, we're missing that piece. Oh, does this matter? I've got 2 reds here. Okay, so I'm missing. Let's put that one on there. Have I got the hair? These hairs the same. I think they're exactly the same. So we should be fine to use either of those, I think. Or is it dark hair? No, I think it's that one. Let's put that one on there. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we are again missing 2 yellow pieces and the white piece there for this one. So let's put that over there. There's quite a few pieces missing in this one. but I guess due to the age of the set, it's got mislaid. Okay, so the next one, so I haven't got that bottom black piece there, but I do have 2 black squares, or 3 black squares, 1 blue. Okay, I don't have the red, but I do have another blue. Oh, is that a smaller blue? Okay, so it's a smaller blue and then a blue, so we're missing a red piece on that one. I don't have this blue, so we're missing that, but I do have some hair, so that's a bonus. So there's quite a bit missing from there. So we have got the bottom black piece missing, the red here, and the whole torso. And then let's have a look. Now we know we won't have the black because we didn't have it on the last one. But do we have the yellow? No, we don't have the yellow, but we do have this black piece. And another black piece. I don't have those 2 pieces. But I do have that one there that sits on the top. And do I have... Ah, there we go. Okay. So I've got that one that sits on the top there, and I have the hair. I can put it on the right way. Oh, that's quite clever. It fits over the ears. Right, so we're missing the bottom piece and the yellow piece. I think... Oh no, she's got another piece. She's sitting on something else here. So have I got to do something else with that one? Is that a seat I think she's sitting on, isn't it? Okay, so it looks like you can either have Grandma standing up or Grandma sitting down. So if we're going to have a sitting down, we need 2 blue pieces that we've got there. But I don't have... That looks like a small, thin white. I've only got a big white, so I don't know. It's obviously just a random piece in there, so we don't have that piece. Okay, so let's put that to one side. So we've got a few bits to look for, and then we've also got all of these. We need the hair for the dad. All these extra pieces, and that I think is stickle bricks. Okay, so we're going to have to go off and see what we've got in our odds and pieces of the Lego. So we'll be back for the restoration piece. Thanks for joining. Right, welcome back. I've had a rummage in the odds and pieces we've got of Lego, and we've managed to find the pieces we're missing. So let's see if we can put these back and restore them to how they should be. So on this particular one, we were missing 2 yellow. So now I have 2 yellow bricks. These ones are obviously quite common. Get them in most sets. And we're also missing a small white piece. Just there. There we go. Right, now on to our next one. So we're missing the bottom piece on this one. Should then have the 2 black squares, 3 black squares, beg your pardon. Those. To take this one off. Put the small red one in. Then the blue square on top. This one was obviously a little harder to find, but managed to find him. Okay, and then we've got his hands to put in. And let's put some hair on him. Okay, so there's another one. Okay, of this one, we are missing a small white square. Okay, there's another one done there. Now for the little girl, we are missing the 2 blue. So red square, white square. That one's all done. And now for the grandma. Okay, so we were missing the bottom piece and also the yellow square. And we've got the 2 there. Those 2 on there. Okay, there's the grandma done. And if we're going to sit her down, which I think we may well do, put the 2 blue pieces on this one here. And she can sit there. So now we've got the mum, a little boy, grandma, the dad, and the little girl. So we've got a restored set, Lego 200. Thanks for joining. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.